everybody, it's Beth Hayes again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hydrating today. Let's talk about the reasons why income shifting will work for you. So whether you're a truck driver, a teacher, a nurse, a fireman, or you work in a call center, this one financial move can put an average of $600 per month back in your pocket. That's right, today I'm breaking down the top 5 reasons why income shifting is changing the game for everyday people, regardless of your job, your background, or your income. So let's dive in. Reason number 1, this works for all income levels. It does not matter how much you make. You don't have to be at a certain place on the tax bracket scale for this strategy to work. It doesn't matter if you make $30,000 or $130,000 per year. The same principle applies. If you receive a W-2 every year from your employer, you're likely overpaying taxes, like so many of us are. Fortunately, income shifting helps correct that and is 100% legal. Reason number 2, it's not based on hours worked or employment status. It doesn't matter how many hours you work, and it doesn't matter whether you're paid on salary or with an hourly wage. It doesn't matter if you're a full-time employee or if you have several part-time jobs. This is just a smart adjustment that you make to your W-4, and in 1 to 2 pay cycles, your take-home pay increases. Reason number 3, setup takes 20 minutes. This is not a time-intensive strategy. Most people complete the process in under 20 minutes, and it's something you can easily do for yourself. No accounting degree required, but the results show up fast and have a lasting impact on your financial picture. Reason number 4, this strategy is 100% IRS approved. This isn't a loophole or a workaround. You're not tricking anyone or cheating on anything. Income shifting is based on IRS tax codes and proper withholding. It's always existed and it's always been legal. You just weren't taught how to use it. You see, the government would rather that you not know that you can and should hold on to much more of your money from your paychecks each month. Reason number 5, it's a fast cash flow boost. Most of our members report an average of $500 to $800 extra per month in their take-home pay. That's real money, helping with bills, with debt, savings, and unexpected expenses. Fighting the negative impact inflation is having on your household, because the positive impact is real and tangible and shows up in your life quickly. So these are the top 5 reasons that income shifting with MyEcon works for everyone. If you're looking for a way to increase your monthly income that's fast, simple, and works for anyone with a W-2 job, income shifting will help you achieve that goal. Remember that there is no selling or no recruiting involved to take advantage of income shifting. It's a proven method that has helped thousands of people keep more of the money they've already earned. And it's one of the suite of financial services that you gain access to with your MyEcon digital financial membership, designed to help you improve your financial health. You can start the process today. Just text me at my number here or follow the link in the description below this video. If you found value in this video, be sure to hit the like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos regarding MyEcon, regarding income shifting, regarding making money online, starting a home-based business, my cancer journey, or just my crazy life, any of the things that I post about here on my channel. You'll be notified, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the inside real soon, and I'll see you on the next video.